Hi guys, I'm Luciana Virgilio, and today I'm going to show you how to do Argentina empanada dough. Before we start the recipe, I want to share with you that even though I moved into California long time ago, I'm from Argentina, and this recipe is from my family, and I want to share with you. So let's go to the ingredients. You're only going to need 40 ingredients, and let's go over those. You're going to need 750 grams of flour, all-purpose flour. You're going to need 2 cups of water. Water needs to be warm, and 1 tablespoon of salt in here. And you also going to need about 200 grams of lard. That's all you're going to need. So let's mix all this together, and I'll show you what's next. So the first thing you're going to do, you're going to put the lard and the mix, and then you also going to add the water. And we're going to mix this together with a spoon at first, and then you're going to knead it with your hands. So we're going to go ahead and start with our hands. And it's super simple. And this is the way you're going to be doing it. You're going to go ahead and do this for about 4 to 5 minutes. And then after that, we're going to put it in a Ziploc bag, and we're going to let it rest for 10 minutes. Okay, and I wanted to show you how the dough looks after you knead it for 5 minutes. It's less than 5 minutes, actually. It's 4 minutes only, and this is the way it needs to look. So you're going to grab it from the bowl, and you're going to make like a little, not like a little bowl, but like a bowl like this. And you're going to go ahead and put these inside of a bag and let it rest in a Ziploc bag for about 10 to 15 minutes. Make sure you close it so it doesn't dry out. So we're going to let it rest for about 10 to 15 minutes, and we'll come back and I'll tell you what's next. Hi again, and here we are with the dough. Let me show you how it looks. I already removed it from the Ziploc bag, and let's cut it a little bit, and then I'll show you what I do next. So you're going to put it on top of the counter, and you can just roll it like this. And make sure it doesn't get stick to the bottom, so you can just keep moving the flour. And it's all-purpose flour. And if you also want to make a pie, you can do that as well. But for the empanadas, this is the best though. Once you do that, you're going to grab, so let me show you. You can get a cookie cutter, or you can get like a martini glass if you don't have a cookie cutter. As you can see, it's the same exact size. And just cut them like this. And here, this is the empanada dough. So you can make them bigger. You can use a Tupperware. You can use anything you want to cut them. So that's all. Easy as this. If you want to see the entire process of the empanadas, I already made another video with chicken empanadas, and you're gonna love them. So I hope you like my video. Subscribe to my channel so you can see more recipes from Argentina or from Italy or from any other place. Thank you. Have a good day.